Now imagine this. You're lying on your back in a field at the middle of the night, staring up at one bright star. It looks calm and steady, like it's been there forever and always will be. But here's the strange truth. That star might not exist anymore. It could have died years ago and you would have no way of knowing. Because when you look up at the sky, you are not seeing the universe as it is right now. You are looking into the past. The night sky is a time machine. Well, so how does that work? It all comes down to one thing, the speed of light. Well, light is fast, almost unimaginably fast. It travels about 186,000 miles every single second. That's fast enough to circle the entire Earth 7.5 times in just 1 second. In everyday life, light feels instant. You flip a switch and the room lights up immediately. So we never notice it has a speed at all. But space is huge, and once distances get big enough, even light takes a real time to get from one place to another. So let's have an example. Let's take our sun for instance. It's about 93 million miles away. Even at the speed of light, sunlight takes around 8 minutes to reach us. Think about what that actually means. If the sun suddenly switched off, you would keep seeing it shine for 8 more minutes before the sky went dark. The sunlight hitting your face right now left the sun 8 minutes ago, so you are not seeing the sun as it is, you are seeing the sun as it was. Space is so big that miles become almost useless. The number gets ridiculous over time. So astronomers measure distances using time instead. They use a measurement called light year. A light year is simply the distance light travels in 1 year, and it's enormous. It's about 5.88 trillion miles. So here's the key idea, and it's the whole point of this video. If a star is 10 light years away, its light took around 10 years to reach your eyes. So you are seeing the star exactly as it looked 10 years ago. So, the further away something is, the further back in time you are looking. So, let's have a quick tour in our universe. The moon is so near that its light reaches you in just over 1 second, basically the present moment, and the sun takes around 8 minutes in the past, like we said. The nearest star beyond our sun is Proxima Centauri. It's about 4 light years away. You see it as it looked 4 years ago. Sirius, on the other hand, is the brightest sun in the entire night sky. It's about 8.6 light years away. The light you see from it tonight left around 8 years ago. That's a lot, isn't it? Now, let's go further. Look at the constellation Orion. Its shoulder is a giant red star called Betelgeuse. Yes, like the movie. And no, it won't show up if you say it 3 times, probably. Anyways, so Betelgeuse is estimated to be around 642 light years away. The light leaving it tonight won't reach the Earth for another 6 centuries. And here's the wild part. Betelgeuse is old and unstable, and scientists expect it to explode as a supernova someday. It might have already exploded hundreds of years ago, and this light hasn't arrived yet. We won't know until it does. In fact, every constellation is a kind of trick of time. The stars look they are side by side, but they are totally different distances. One might be 50 light years away, another is 800. So, a single constellation is really a collage of many different moments in history, all stitched together by your eyes. And we can go further still. The Andromeda Galaxy is about 2.5 million light years away. The light you see from it left before even modern human existed. And with powerful telescopes like James Webb, we can capture light from galaxies that has been traveling for over 13 billion years, almost all the way back to the birth of the universe itself. So, the next time your friend tells you time machine aren't real. Just look up. You don't need to build one to see the past. You already have one. It's been sitting in your head this whole time. Your own two eyes pointed at the stars. Thank you so much for watching. All of the sources that I use for this project will be listed down below in the description.